Oh, that's Dada? Nakita yung picture ng Dada niya. That's Dada? You ready? Are you going for a ride? Hi guys! Welcome back! Hi guys! Oh, hi guys! Ay, ang galing nga! Ano? Ha? Hi! Say hi! Hi! Hi guys! So, kakauwi ko lang galing ng work and then pupunta kami ngayon dun sa babae na inano namin para next time if mag-ano kami kapag nagka-camping kami tapos nag-travel papunta ng Michigan, ganun. Kailangan kasama namin siya lagi. So next time, iiwan na lang namin siya doon, tapos babayaran na lang namin yung babae. Tawag doon parang mga dog sitter, ganun. Tapos imimit namin siya ngayon para next time, ayun, para makilala niya yung mga aso nila. May aso rin kasi siya eh. Kanina pa siya panay-hi, oh. Say hi. I miss mommy. I miss mommy. Ang galing talaga, oh. Marunong ka na. Ready? You excited to go? Yeah? Excited to go? Huh? Ellie? Are you excited to go? Huh? Can you say yes? Yes! Yes! By the way, update. Natanggal ko na pala ang Christmas tree ko. No? What? Panay siya, hi, oh. Hi. Hi. So, natanggal ko na yung Christmas tree ko dito sa loob, guys. Pero yung sa labas, hindi ko pa natatanggal. Kasi, wala pa akong time talaga. So, kasi sa labas, that time din, nung nagtanggal ako ng Christmas tree, medyo malamig sa labas. Kaya, siguro sa day off ko na lang tatanggalin. So, Monday, Tuesday, may time ako. Yeah. What? Can you say hi? Hi. Can you say hi, guys? Hi, guys. There you go. I love you. Oh, that's Dada? Nakita yung picture ng Dada niya. That's Dada? What is that? Camera? Is that a camera? Is it a camera? Is it a camera? So, si Kinsley, binra siya ng daddy niya. Kinsley, are you ready? You ready? Are you going for a ride? Are we going for Kinsley? Bye-bye! We'll see ya! Bye-bye! We're going for a ride? Ang sarap asarin ni Kinsley pag ganyan. Pero hindi ko siya pwedeng gano'n pag hindi talaga kami aalis kasi ayokong paasahin siya. At mag-aalis lang kami. Kasi punta kami ngayon dun sa my dog sitter. Kinsley, we're going bye-bye? Going for a ride? Kinsley! Kinsley, come here! Come here! Come here! Sit down, ikaw! Laka ni Kinsley. Sit down. Come here. Sit down. Hindi siya mapakali. Alam niya kasi alis na eh. We're going bye-bye? Going for a ride? Huh? Aww. Excited na siya. Lagay ko na si Ellie sa may car seat niya. Can you say bye, guys? We'll see you later. Bye, guys. Say bye, guys. We'll see you later. Ang galing na talaga. Papunta na kami, guys. So, hindi na ako nag-change ng damit kasi saglit lang naman kami doon. Pero grabe yung ano ko. Ang dami na naman balahibo ni Kinsley. Kahit hindi taglaga si Kinsley, guys.
The heat on, it's like 80 out.
Init ngayon. What's the temperature today?
It's like 75.
70 ata. Ganun. Mainit. Tapos bukas, it's cold na naman.
It's 70 good.
Pero hindi ko pa na yung...
It's 70 good nun.
Hindi ko pa natanggal yung mga decoration ko sa labas. My Christmas decoration, babe, still there.
Yeah, you're supposed to take that off.
Yeah, in my day off. In my na lang. So, nandito si Ellie sa likod, tapos si Kinsley sa pinakalikod. Malaki pala. Babe, the space in the back is very big for her.
Yeah.
For Kinsley.
It's fine. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just leave her back there.
Yes. Because normally, inaano namin yung yung chair. Ano ba yan? Yung upuan sa likod. Binababa namin siya para mas malaki yung space ni Kinsley para makapag-lay down siya, ganun. Pero dahil saglit lang naman kami and malapit lang yung bahay na pupuntahan namin. So, saglit lang. Ayun si Kinsley. Nasa pinakalikod. Malaki yung space niya, guys. Don't worry. Nakaka-move around pa siya. Nilagyan ko lang ng, ayan o, ng ano, kasi naglalaway si Kinsley. Kapag ka large breed dogs talaga, mga, pero hindi siya yung super nagdo-drool talaga.
Oh.
Right? But she still drool a lot, guys.
She's not
But
too
unlike
bad.
what is that? Saint Bernard?
Yeah, she's not too bad.
Yeah, but unlike those kind of animal
Yeah.
dogs, grabe sila maglaway. Kaya ayun. Pero si Kinsley hindi masyado. Putla kung wala akong lip tint. So yun guys, we'll see you later.
A few moments later.
Maybe, just maybe a runt, maybe.
On like the side of the road.
She's the smallest of her family.
Oh,
wow.
Good girl.
Her brother is like 150 pounds.
But my uncle used to have them. We had some that were about
Smaller.
Really?
So she's about.
You made a new
Let her
friend.
go if there's-
Yes, it's fine.
She's she's a scaredy cat. I'm telling you. Even though she's like, look how big.
Yes.
She is.
Yeah.
Aww. So cute.
Totally not worried about that.
That's so funny.
Cole was like, you look like me, but you're
Yeah.
You must have been food binging
Aw.
somewhere.
Hi, Cola.
It's so funny.
Hi.
Nice to have a smaller.
Oh my
smaller
gosh.
She takes
I
It's so hard
know.
to get her anywhere because she's so big.
How much she weigh?
this one?
Yes.
About 85.
Oh, she's still heavy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Small.
Yeah.
She's not small at
Oh, look at that. Is that a new friend, Kinsley? Look at Kinsley. You made a new friend. Hi. Hi. Oh, you're a good girl. Yes. Yeah.
Seeing her with other dogs.
I know.
Because she normally plays with
Oh, she's smelling Ellie.
a Siberian
Oh, okay.
up in Michigan.
Yeah. Kinsey, come here.
You want to probably take off her leash that way she's not
Aw.
going
Hi.
to
Hi. Hi.
my
Aw.
old girl.
Aw. How old is she?
She's about 11.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go play.
Aw.
You okay? Go play.
Oh, she's gonna love it here.
Kind of fun.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
And you're fine.
She's a barker, but she's my
Oh,
sweet girl.
Kinsey's a barker too.
She's just being quiet.
Oh my gosh, she's so clingy.
She is.
Yeah.
Very, very clingy.
Look at her.
Does she do like the paw at
Yes.
you? Oh my gosh.
Yes.
The pure paw, it is
I
rough.
know.
It is rough.
It's hard to break. You can't break it. Oh, look at Kinsley.
So cute together.
I know. Look at their fluffy hair. Yeah. Look at that other dog.
She's a pretty looking
Yeah.
Great Pyrenees.
Yes. Oh.
Very calm.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
dude.
Yes.
Because we don't have fences like this. She may be more quiet because she can't see people.
Yeah.
We have these.
Hi.
right?
Is
And
this
You
Cola?
see people walking
Hi,
and go,
Cola.
bark, 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 bark.
Hi. You're so
See them
pretty.
again, bark, bark, bark.
Hi.
Oh, God.
Come here.
There's
You
no
smell
phone
me?
to be quiet.
Mhm.
Doesn't matter. Like she just barks.
Yeah.
I've had to pull out a couple because like you live in a residential neighborhood.
Yeah.
You know, like I don't want to annoy my neighbors.
Uh huh.
So especially like with as many dogs as we have, you know.
Look at Kinsley.
Yeah.
Oh, look at her.
Either
Good
inside
girl.
and barking or quiet
Can you hand?
outside.
Hands.
So there's been a few times
Oh,
like she's just
lapit
like
talaga siya. oh.
non-stop, so I pulled out like the barking collar, and I had to get her like once or twice.
Hi.
And now she knows.
She's
Like,
so
So
cute.
like I pull it out, she's like, okay, I'm done.
I'm about to get one for her because I'll
The
hear her
what?
like race around the house,
Okay,
bark
Kinsey.
on one side, and then she's on the other side.
Gustuhan ni
like-
Kinsey guys kasi ang daming tao, ang daming aso.
You're so pretty.
Literally, yeah. okay, no, but we were just saying we were canceling one like so expensive.
She met the
My
dogs
buddy- I didn't even know
guys.
about the rec
Nandito pa
center.
rin kami.
My buddy talked to me yesterday.
Si
the other day,
Kinsley.
he's like,
Kinsley. Hi.
120
You
years.
say hi. Tonto si Kinsley. Ayan yung dog nila oh. So meron silang 3 dogs. Si Kinsley yung pinakamalaki. Yan. Mukhang nagkakasundo naman sila. So, hindi pa namin iiwan si Kinsey dito. Pag may mga lakad lang kami, ng mga one day, ganun. Si Ellie, good tulog. Ang init ngayon, guys. So, pauwi na kami after nito, guys. So, we'll see you later. Say bye. 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 Ang galing, oh. Nakauwi na kami, guys. Si Kinsley. Are you happy? Are you happy now? Okay, kakain si Ellie ng banana.
Banana.
Look at her. She's eating already. Yummy. Ang bilis pa naman ito kumain, guys. Ang galing ah. Uy, ang dami niya na.
Look, she has a whole pile of bananas.
Ang dami niyan, girl ah.
Ang dami
Yummy.
anong girla.
Ang galing ah. Very good ah. Okay, magkain na kami, guys. Magkain muna kami.
Okay, I'm going to eat.
Look at Kinsey. Oh,
going
my
to
goodness. So cute.